In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to see +1 more on Snapchat. To begin, open the Snapchat app, then access your account section by tapping on the profile icon located in the top left corner. This action will redirect you to your account settings. Within the account settings, tap on My Story to view your current story. As you can see, there is one viewer, which happens to be my mom. Despite us not being friends on Snapchat, additionally, you may notice a 1 plus more indication, implying the presence of another viewer in here. Now, the question arises, why does the +1 more appear on your story? Well, this signifies that someone has blocked you or removed you as their friend after seeing your story. On the flip side, if you unfriend them or block them on Snapchat, they will appear as 1 plus more in your list of viewers. We will address the topic of identifying who has blocked you on Snapchat in another video. To limit the number of viewers for your story, we need to access the settings. Look for the option to view my story. Within the settings menu, by making changes to this setting, you can control who can view your story. In my case, since my viewers are currently set to everyone, I will temporarily adjust it to my friends. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.